Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the chapter second, Our Changing the Earth. Now, in this chapter we are going to study about volcanoes. At first, you should know what is volcano. As you see in the book, a volcano is a vent or opening in the earth crust through which molten material or magma from interior erupts out as lava. There are some reasons for the causes of volcanoes. As you know, the interior of the earth is in molten state. As a result, vents created due to tectonic movement sometimes connect the magma chamber to the surface. Due to extreme heat and pressure, forces up molten magma, pieces of solid rocks, gases, gas, and extreme through these vents or fissures. For example, the volcano of Fujiyama in Japan is the best example of volcano. Other examples are Mt. Pelee, Mount Pelee, etc. In India, it is also located in Deccan Plateau due to gradual fissure and eruption. Types of volcanoes. Depending on the nature and frequency, the volcano is classified into three groups. First, active, second, dormant, third, extinct. Active, which has erupted frequently in recent past, are expected to erupt further anytime in future. Example, Mount Etna in Italy, Cotopaxi in Ecuador. Second, dormant or sleeping volcano, which have not erupted for centuries but may still do so. Example, Mount Vesuvius, Fujiyama in Japan. Third, extinct or dead volcano. They have neither erupted nor is there any possibility of further eruption in the future. Example, Cerro Aconcagua in Argentina are extinct volcanoes.